Welcome to day 1 of your 30-day English challenge. You've just taken the most important step in your language learning journey. You started. Over the next 30 days, we are going to transform the way you speak, listen, and think in English. We aren't just learning grammar rules, we are building a new version of you. A version that speaks with confidence. They say, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. In the English-speaking world, that impression begins the very moment you open your mouth to say hello. A greeting is more than just a word. It's a bridge between two people. Whether you're walking into a job interview, ordering a latte, or meeting a new neighbor, the way you greet others sets the tone for the entire conversation. Today, we're going to master that bridge. We'll cover the classic greetings, the subtle differences between formal and informal settings, and the specific cultural nuances used in the United States. By the end of this 11-minute session, you won't just know what to say, you'll know exactly how to say it. Let's get started. Before we practice speaking, we need to understand the what and the why. In US English, greetings generally fall into two categories: formal and informal. Let's start with the most universal word in the language, hello. Hello is your safest bet. It works everywhere. It's professional, polite, and clear. However, in the United States, we often lean toward the informal hi. Hi is slightly more relaxed and is used frequently in shops, with friends, and even with colleagues you know well. Then there's hey. Now be careful with hey. It's very common, but it's best saved for friends or casual environments. You wouldn't usually walk into a high-level meeting and say, "Hey, boss," unless you have a very close relationship. Next, let's talk about the time of day. In the US, we use specific greetings depending on the position of the sun. From the moment you wake up until 12 p.m., we say good morning. Once the clock hits noon until about 5 o'clock or 6 p.m., we transition to good afternoon. After the sun begins to set, we use good evening. Here is a common mistake many learners make: good night. In English, good night is almost never a greeting. If you walk into a restaurant at 8 p.m. and say good night to the host, they will think you are leaving. Good night is a way to say goodbye or to signal that you are going to sleep. Always stick with good evening when you arrive at night. Finally, we have the follow-up. In the US, a greeting is rarely just one word. It's usually a pair. We say hello, followed by how are you, or how's it going? It's important to realize that in American culture, how are you is often used as a greeting itself rather than a literal question about your health. Most of the time, the expected answer is brief and positive. I'm doing well, thank you, or simply, good, thanks. Understanding these small cultural shifts is what makes you sound like a natural speaker rather than a textbook. Now it's your turn. Language is a physical skill like a sport. You have to train your mouth muscles to move in new ways. We are going to practice these greetings in 3 rounds. First, we will go slowly to focus on pronunciation. Then, we will move to a natural conversational speed. Finally, we will practice short phrases. Round 1, slow and clear. Listen first, then repeat during the silence. Hello. Again. Hello. Notice how the H is just a puff of air. Hello. Now, good morning. Focus on the R in morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Make sure you link the D in good to the vowel that follows. Good evening. Round 2, natural speed. Imagine you are walking into a store. Speak with energy. Hi there. Hi, how's it going? Hey, how are you? Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, how can I help you? Round 3, the how are you ritual. In the US, we often blend words together. How are you often sounds like how are you. Let's practice the full sequence. Listen. Hello, how are you? Now you. Response. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Your turn. Let's try a more casual version. Listen. Hi, how's it going? Now you? Response. Great, thanks. How about you? Your turn. Let's try a formal greeting. Imagine you are meeting a manager. Good morning, it is nice to meet you. One more time with a smile in your voice, it really changes the sound. Good morning, it's nice to meet you. Excellent, let's do a quick lightning round. I will say the time of day, and you shout out the correct greeting. 8 a.m. Did you say good morning? 2 p.m. That's good afternoon. 8 p.m. That's good evening. Remember, don't say good night yet. Take a deep breath. You are doing fantastic. If some of these sounds feel strange in your mouth, that's a good sign. It means you are breaking old habits and forming new ones. Let's recap what we learned today. First, we learned that hello is your universal key. It works for every door. Hi and hey are for your friends and casual moments. Second, we mastered the clock. Good morning for the start of the day, good afternoon for the middle, and good evening for the end. We also cleared up the good night mystery. Remember, only use good night when you are waving goodbye or going to bed. Third, we practiced the American greeting ritual. We don't just say hello, we follow it up with a how are you or how's it going, and we keep our responses short and positive. These sounds might feel basic, but they are the foundation of everything else we will build this month. If you can greet someone with confidence, you've already won half the battle of the conversation. You're no longer a stranger to the language, you're a participant. Before I let you go, I have a mission for you. This is the challenge part of our 30-day journey. Knowing is not enough, we must do. Your challenge for day 1 is this. Greet 3 different people today using 3 different phrases we practiced. If you live in an English-speaking country, do this in person. If you don't, you can do this online, in a voice chat, or even greet your family members in English. Try 1. Good morning. 1. Hi, how's it going? And 1. Hello. Pay attention to how it feels to say these words out loud to another person. If you feel nervous, that's okay. Courage is just doing it while you're nervous. Write day 1 complete in the comments below once you've finished your greetings. I want to see this community growing and supporting each other. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss day 2. Tomorrow, we're moving from greetings to personal identity, learning how to introduce yourself and talk about where you're from with perfect grammar. You did an amazing job today. I'm proud of you for starting. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Happy practicing. You did an amazing job today. I'm proud of you for starting. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Happy practicing.